with the news where you live. 8 News starts now.
Ring doorbell cameras like this one catching porch pirates and other criminals. Law enforcement sometimes using them as a tool to catch the thieves. But tonight, we are looking into a recent change made by doorbell video company Ring, now preventing fire and police departments from requesting video using the neighbor's app. Thanks for joining us for 8 News at 5:30. I'm Eric Phillips.
I'm Deanna Albritton. 8 News reporter Roland Wilson joins us live in the Digital Center to share how law enforcement agencies are reacting to this change. Roland.
Well, Eric, Deanna, since its launch in 2017, we've showed you how Ring doorbell video can do more than just let you know who's at your front door. It can also help stop who's not supposed to be there. And I want you to keep in mind, law enforcement agencies can still ask people directly for the video, but the problem here, this could slow down the process. From porch pirates
Can I help you?
to trespassing incidents and even violent crimes, doorbell video can play a critical role in solving crimes.
Video is one of the best types of evidence we have. When we have, we capture a crime, we capture a suspect on camera. It's hard to refute that evidence of wrongdoing.
The doorbell company Ring made it possible for neighbors to share their video with agencies like Richmond Police using their request for assistance tool. But in a recent announcement, the company says in part, agencies will no longer be able to use the RFA tool to request and receive video in the app. They went on to say public safety agencies' posts are still public and will be available for users to view on the neighbor's app feed and on the agency's profile.
I'm not too concerned about it. Yes, it's going to make us a little less efficient. It's going to make it a little harder or a little less convenient for citizens to send it because it's not coming straight through the app. It's coming through an email or whatnot. But at the end of the day, we're still going to do what we're going to do.
Captain Anthony Jackson says Richmond Police will continue to ask Ring users for their video to help their investigations, but will do so directly. The American Civil Liberties Union has expressed privacy concerns about how doorbell camera video is used. They say that despite this change being a step in the right direction, until regulators step in to manage how corporations treat the private information of their customers, Ring cameras are just one of the surveillance technologies that have the power to expose people's private lives, chill their speech, and trample on their privacy. And similar to Richmond, both Henrico and Chesterfield police tell me they will continue to go door to door and use other social media platforms to request doorbell video. Live in the Digital Center tonight, Roland Wilson, 8 News.